Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really giving it to you guys. Like, I was not playing. Like, I'm giving you summer vibes. If you want to see how to get this cute, girly, sun-kissed look, stay tuned. And yeah, all right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes off camera. I used Cool Tan and LA Pro Girls concealer for the bottom, and I cleaned the bottom of my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids with that. I just like using a lighter concealer when I do like colors, because I just feel like it makes it pop more. And for the top of my brows, I use Deep and Tarte Shape and Tape concealer. This concealer is bomb. Like, I just got put onto it. I know I'm late, but I just got put onto this concealer and it's bomb. Like, so I don't know. I do not know where I got this palette from, you guys. So do not hold it against me, but I cannot tell you where I got it from. But this little, don't mind it, because when I first got it, I broke it. So sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this yellow shade right here, if you could see. Yeah, I'm gonna be using that. So we're just gonna get that in there. Just putting tape on the ends of both because I want to have that snatched look today. So I don't know why I decided to wait to the last minute to do this, but this is my Modern Matte 28 color eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics, and we're just gonna start bringing the orange in. So I'm gonna take this orangey color right here. It looks red on here, but it's really like a not burnt orange, but like kind of sort of burnt orange. And I'm just going to take my brush. This is a brush that I got with it was like a set I got from what is it, Ross. So I'm just gonna get that in there like that, and we're just gonna put this under the yellow. And yeah, so we're just gonna, I don't want to say under the yellow, but in the yellow, but under the yellow. Just, you'll see. Going into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I just want to take this yellow right here. It's, you can't even see it, but it's this yellow right here. And this yellow is not too bright, but it's just, I just want to blend the orange and the yellow together. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. So I'm gonna go back in with Cool Tan and my LA Pro Girls concealer. Just put that all on my hand. This is when stuff gets sloppy, because I don't do makeup neatly. I really just do. This is a MAC 248 brush. It's just basically like a flat concealer brush. So yeah, whenever you're cutting your crease, you guys, make sure you have a flat brush, because I promise you. And whenever I'm cutting my crease, I like to tilt my head back. So now I'm just taking my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just setting the cut crease basically. And this is just my 88 color palette by BH Cosmetics, and it's a standard eyeshadow palette. This is actually really old. Well, not really old, like ancient, but it's like, it's pretty old. I had it for a while. I want to take my MAC 239 brush, and it's like a little smudgy looking brush. And I want to take this like reddish color down here. Take some of that. And I want to just start working my way up. So I'm going to actually pat it in the back first. 206 Sephora brush, and I'm just taking this I guess a smaller fluffy side, and I'm going in with this yellow in here, right here. So yeah, just get all in there, and I'm just gonna literally like tap that into where I didn't put. Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm just taking this like burnt orange. It looks pink kind of, but I'm just taking that burnt orange. I'm just like literally taking a little bit, and I just want to tap it on the middle part. I guess like where the yellow. And with this orange color, and I just want to put it back into the yellow at the top because I feel like it literally disappeared. This is my Modern Matte 28 color palette. 28 color palette, is that called 28 color? 28 color eyeshadow palette. And I want to get this like brownish color, and I'm mixing it with a little bit of that orange, so both, and I really want to put it into my crease. Going back in with the same small blending brush, and I'm just blending that in with that yellow, just so it could look seamless. I keep saying seamless, but that's what I want it to look like. I want to look like I didn't really do this. But I'm gonna go apply lashes off camera, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Like, I got my lashes on. Now it's time for the face. I'm gonna take a little makeup wipe, and I'm just gonna wipe my face. I'm gonna use my Benefit POREfessional primer. This primer is bomb. I'm just gonna literally take it on my fingers like that. MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC50. My Sephora Dome Stippling brush, and this brush is number 41. My 3D Contour Artist Powder Palette. This is by Ruby Kisses, and it's just basically like a face powder palette, and I just like mixing these two shades, and I just put them all over my face just to set my foundation. Tarte Shape and Tape Concealer. This concealer is bomb. I'm just taking my little beauty blender I got from, it was like a little set. So yeah, this is just one of the small ones. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. I'm just taking my Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna take the same beauty blender that I had, and I'm just gonna set under my eyes. I always have to shake it a little bit. That's baking. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just gonna take that orange color and put it under my eyes. A Color Standard Matte Shadow palette, and I'm just going to take that red color on the same brush, and this is just like a little blending eye brush from Elf that was like $2 at Target. But yeah, I'm just gonna take that same red, some regular black eyeliner, and I like to hold my eye down whenever I have like baking powder, and just so I don't crease it, well, put like a fingerprint on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit of black eyeliner. like a, I don't know, it's like short and really fluffy. I got this brush from a gift basket, I believe, so I'm just gonna use that to dust the powder away. My Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm just taking the contour in there. It's literally called contour. It's like no color, I mean no name for the color, but fluffy brush and contour my nose a little bit. I'm having so much problems with my Laura Mercier powder today. Like, she does not want to come out. I really look weird, like I have some weird long sideburns or something. But yeah, that's weird. And to wake myself up a little bit, I'm just going to use my Badescu skincare facial spray. So weird. I just can't believe yeah. And I'm just gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. I want to use Cork by MAC, Persistence by MAC, Viva Glam 2. This was like a couple of lip shades that really was just like limited edition. She's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the glow kit in sugar. You guys know I have the other one in sun dipped, and this bomb. Like, Anastasia Beverly Hills do their thing when it comes to like highlighting palettes. But I'm just gonna be using butterscotch, and butterscotch is really pigmented. Using the same brush for highlighter because I don't like wasting highlighter. Then I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbone. Use my Badescu. Okay, you guys, and this is the final look. I'm really feeling this. Like,